Flare prop! There we go. Well, YouTube, it's been a little while. I've been wanting to make flying videos, but weather hasn't really been cooperating.
Portagon traffic, Skyhawk 689er, 6 Hotel, 1 mile final, runway 27, Portagon.
Got a couple things going. I want to do a proper Insta360 1X3 review. I've been using it quite a lot now, and I've got a pretty good idea of what I want to talk about. Also, this coming weekend, I plan to compete in the Great Lake STOL competition. You know the Stinson guy, Scooter, he's the one putting it on. And they're nice enough to have a under 100 horsepower class, which would put me up against Taylorcrafts, Luscombs, Champs, or Cubs. I don't have a lot going for me, but I've got pretty good technique and I get off pretty good. Sure, I won't come in first, but I plan to have some fun with it. Well, today we actually have some pretty nice weather. So, figured it'd be a good day for some STOL practice. Just do a little run up here. Okay, everything looks good. Pick up the weather.
Porter County Municipal Airport, Valparaiso, Indiana. Automated weather observation 2230 Zulu. Wind 250 at 08. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 26 Celsius. Dew point 16 Celsius. Altimeter 290.
Alright, temps are looking good. You can see some rain over in the distance, but I think we'll be okay for today. Just gonna probably run over the grass at Knox, do some short takeoff and landing practice. Just get everything nailed down. Maybe get some cheap gas while I'm over there. Also, I picked up a QT Halo headset at Oshkosh. If you'd like to see an actual review on them, put a comment down below.
Porter County traffic, Cessna 95999 Delta, target runway 27, 50 south, Porter County.
Get RPMs all the way up. Let's try this one a little tail low. I'm pretty light today, so we'll see how quick she wants to get off on her own. Oh, we're off pretty good.
Porter County traffic, Skyhawk 5314 Kilo, turning crosswind for runway 27, Porter County traffic.
They're climbing pretty good. That was without flaps.
Porter County traffic, Cessna 99 Delta, turning crosswind, runway 27, departing south, Porter County.
Well, initial thoughts. I gotta find something to do with this cable. Maybe make these tubes a little shorter. Well, maybe go do one at Rodney's
Porter County
down
traffic,
here.
Cessna 1 November Sierra, left face for 27, Porter County.
Guess we'll see how soft Rodney's is. They've gotten some rain recently. Actually, a few days ago, I went to the hangar, tried to film a video. The rain was coming down so hard, couldn't hear anything. For those of you who've experienced rain in a T-hangar, kind of know what that's like. Well, maybe we'll do a little spot landing, try and touch down at the barn. And maybe it'll give me a marker to judge my distance by.
Porter County traffic, Skyhawk 1449 Charlie, 4 miles, Marnett.
There we go. Put her in a nice slip.
was cold.
Now start
You were
dragging it.
down, I was so in love with you the day.
Stay behind the power curve. Bring her down a little more, closer to the ground.
You and me, for black and white, love is blind. I saw it from the other side, and I took a walk down memory lane. I opened up the book and saw a heart next to your name. It took
Okay, not bad.
I remembered what I had.
Where are we?
I swallowed hard, looked to the
Double
ground.
past the tree. Think that was about the barn? Okay, we will go tail low and flaps at 40.
And I would take
Heels on the floor. Maybe pick it up a little.
like my mother told
And we have flaps at 40.
and all this pain I feel inside.
Up too heavy.
Blame it on the lies. The lies will never set you free. The truth lies in between you and me.
So maybe we'll try flaps at 50.
I was still in love. How could you leave me like this? Was it yesterday was our first? And I took a walk down memory lane. I sit alone inside myself. I never met the love that felt.
Oh, I got about 45 more minutes before it's dinner time. I'll stop here, fill up the gas, maybe try a couple more, and then head back home.
Stark County traffic, Cessna 99 Delta entering downwind from
Well, maybe I'll do a couple stop and goes and then get gas. At least here there's like cones, good spot to measure distance. See what I can do here.
The lies will never set you free. The truth lies in between you and me. And oh, it feels like it's never gonna end. I tried so hard to let it go. The memories eat me in. Oh, it feels like I'm going insane.
Oh, got a little bit of a crosswind here.
From you, everything you've ever felt for me
I'm gonna bring it down closer to the fence.
was a lie. Was a lie.
Keep the nose down for speed.
You and I, you and me.
I'll roll it to at least a solid 50. 55. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Can play that one back. Looks like we got another inbound airplane. Looks like we got an ag pilot.
Stark County traffic, Cessna 99 Delta, turning cross time runway 27. Start. Stark County, Cessna 99 Delta is downwind runway 27.
Service drive, Terminal 37, making sure to approach runway 27, Three Rivers.
Stark County traffic, Cessna 99 Delta, 7. Start.
I took this one out wide. Give me a chance to drag it in anyways. Let's see what we can do. Got about 200 in the last one. I'll play it back on the tape. Maybe we can add drag. Come over the fence about 60. I think the biggest thing to landing short is speed control and learning to pitch for airspeed and power for distance. Let's bring her way down. Oh, made about 1.5. That's pretty damn good. Let's just come over here, get the cheap gas, and go home.
I was the age of 8 when I played the tape and I heard a voice coming through. It was singing.
All right, can you hear me now?
Strong to the words I barely
Time to head back.
hanging on to the edge of the song.
We're a little heavier now, so maybe we'll go down and use 1.8.
I'm untied. I'm singing along for the first time. For the first time.
Stark County traffic,
Singing along for the first time. I've been hearing songs since I came along on radio and TV. But this one song, when it came on, felt like it was just for me. Now I'm singing along for the first time. For the first time. Singing along for the first time. It was Springsteen in the streets, Cash in the summer heat, Willie on the road, Cobain in the cold, Stevie in my room, learning every line of that tune. And when the chorus came, it was my chance to get up and start to dance away.
There we go. Wow, that's pretty loud. So best I could tell, I'll check it on the tape. I was landing in about first tone and a half. I had a bit of a headwind.
Porter County Municipal Airport, Valparaiso, Indiana. Automated weather observation. 2329er Zulu. Wind 29er 0 at 04. Visibility 10. The sky condition view 4,400. Temperature 23 Celsius. Dew point 18 Celsius. Altimeter 298
Well, I got the runway inside out there. Another thing I picked up while I was at Oshkosh was this lift knee board. I was actually looking for something that pretty much only hold my iPad. The other one I had was back there, but it's like a flip version, kind of more cheaply constructed. I got the nylon version and way fancier than the one I had, but it was actually a pretty good price. The thing is, the only deal they had at Oshkosh was buy one, get one free. So I think I'll be giving one away in an upcoming video. Maybe I want to hit the 1,000 subscriber mark. All right, one last short landing. This one's going to be on pavement, though.
Porter County traffic, Cessna 9599 Delta is 4 miles to the east at mile 27, full stop, Porter County.
I did air up the tires to 32 PSI. Thought maybe it'd help me roll a little better. It might make the landings a little bit rougher.
Porter County traffic, Cessna 99 Delta is 2 mile final, runway 27, full stop, Porter County.
Slow her down so we can drop some flaps. Well, I don't know what we got left in cameras. Stay tuned for a video of me doing a upcoming Great Lake STOL competition. I made it! No carbon cub, but that wasn't too bad. That was with a lot more fuel than I'm going to be doing. That's pretty good.
It was cold. You were down.
If you'd like to see an overview of this airplane, click right there. If you'd like to see a video on the camping gear used to camp light in this airplane, click right there. Hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe.
Love is blind. I saw it from the other side.